Good morning, everyone! Happy New Year! Wishing everyone a prosperous New Year. Diba? So, sana'y laging masagana ang inyong buong taon. At laging healthy and happy. Always choose to be happy para healthy tayo lagi. Diba? So, yan. Katapos ko lang nagsimba. Ayan ang surrounding ng church. Dun yung church. Ayan. St. Benedict. And ako'y maghahanap ng makain. Or maybe McDonald's or tas magno-noodles na lang ako. So that's it. Just wanna wish everyone a prosperous New Year. Masaganang bagong taon. Laging healthy and happy. My outfit last Christmas, nung Christmas, ganun din ang outfit ko. Nagpalit lang ako ng scarf. Today is raining. Raining, konti lang. Patak-patak lang. Ayan ang aking outfit for today. And nung Christmas. Hello, para lumalakas ang ambon. Macho day, macho. Makasala ng mata. Silong tayo. Let's see kung ano pang magagawa mamaya. I plan to go to Chimchachuy, Harbor City, but ang weather is raining. So, let's see mamaya. Bye for now. Choose always to be happy and live life to the fullest, square and fair. Until my next one. Octopus bowls. Yan. Kasi maraming bowls. And my front view. Doon ako bumili. Fusion. Let's eat. That is $28. Let's try. Init. Naalala ko baka kinain ko ng malalaglag. So, kinain ko lahat. Mainit pala. Bye! Siguro mamaya mag-McDonald's ako.